My name is Alex. I'm the founder of FinaMill. FinaMill is the only spice grinder in the world using interchangeable parts, so you can have multiple parts with just one device.
With FinaMill, you get the simplicity and convenience of an electric grinder without all the work. See, FinaMill uses interchangeable FinaPods so you can quickly switch from one spice to another and back again with one hand. A dedicated pod for each spice means no more cleanup in between and no cross-contamination. FinaMill even makes specialized pods for different types of spices like dried herbs, seeds, and oily spices.
The magic is in the pod.